How to share location on Google Maps. In today's quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to share your location on Google Maps, whether you're meeting up with your friends or need to share your current spot for any reason. This process is super simple, so let's jump into it. First things first, open the Google Maps app. The process is same for the Android and iPhone both. Now that you have Google Maps open, it's time to share your location. Tap the blue dot on the map. This represents your current location. A menu will pop up with an option that says share location, save parking, and more. What we need to do is simply tap on share location. Here you can simply share your contact, your location. As you can see here, all the people that you have connected with on Google can see your location. For more options, simply tap on more options. Now here you can send it via a link. You can send it through messaging apps like WhatsApp, Viber, SMS, or even email. And that's how you can quickly share your location on Google Maps.